Here's Roborock app, so you can just tap get to install it. So that's how you install it on iPhone. Yeah, this is the app, for this robot cleaner. Pretty cool. And there are so many these robot cleaners now. And, it's just much easier to navigate it with the app. And this app is pretty cool. So smart mapping, advanced scheduling, customizable cleaning, zone cleaning, no-go zones, multi-level mapping, real-time viewing. So quite advanced app to completely manage your Roborock product. And again, you just can like your Roborock will itself do the plan of your apartment, of your house for you. Then of course you can just schedule it in the correct hours, daily to weekly, hitting different rooms with each one. You can also do like customizable cleaning. So you can use water, for example, cleaning on some areas in the kitchen. You can do lower suction when you need things quiet. So different types of cleaning in different rooms. Zone cleaning, draw up to 5 zones and clean each zone up to 3 times. No-go zones, so you can just set up to have some no-go zones for you. And yeah, like pretty cool. And this app is getting quite advanced. Of course, it's working with Roborock devices, and then you just need to sign up. Here is the region which you need to choose, and then enter email address, enter a code, and that's you can also register with a phone number. So yep, you can then log in, or you can just log in with your Apple ID, for example. Let's see if I can create an account from here. Then still you need to create your account from here. All right, so let's just try. So then the code is being sent here. So anyhow, that's how you get started.